Okay, most of it's cleaned up fairly well. Still got a bunch of filler to do in, but a couple of touch-up spots of welding need to do. Like right down in here. And still a little more cleanup down there on that crappy welding. That shit's hard to make look good the way we had to fit everything in here, since they don't make panels that fit right, especially on a 60-70 year old cab that's been tweaked all over the place. But got most of it cleaned up. Need to order some sealer, and got the door latches coming in so we can do a final fit check on the door and get the rear pillar locked down, and then the cab corner in place, and then we can move over to the other side and start all over doing that. And of course you'll be seeing that on video. I know it's highly riveting stuff, so stay tuned.